Here we are. This is an Essex. This is the 4551. They have 4 floor plans available. We'll go through and show you this one. Stunning paint scheme on this one as well. A little different style and feel. Love the seating. Here you have your theater seating, and it's almost dipped in and reclined back. Super nice. Here you have your elevator, love seat, cabinetry on this one. You still have large windows, but you still have your cabinet space, so you don't give up your cabinet space for the windows. Here's the booth. You see it's a super large booth. This does collapse. Here's your galley area. In this one, obviously, you can see your microwave. Here's your price on this one, $1.2 million. Again, the infamous Newmar doors. Not a fan of that. Don't like them at all. Here's your king bed. Here's your wardrobe along with your TV. You do have a step up in this coach. Super large shower, great tile work, super nice. Again, the rectangle drain, super nice. Here's your toilet, your egress door. Here's your closet, cedar line. Super nice. Then you have a 2-vessel vanity here, and some goober in the mirror there waving. And then here's going to be your stackable washer dryer, splendid brand. Again, there's no carpet on this one. This is a carpetless coach, all tile.
Still, I want to. As he gets his shoes off, you gotta ask. Yeah.
This is an all-digital coach here in the front. It's on Spartan K3 chassis as well, with the 605 Cummins, 1950 pound-feet of torque. There you have it. We just took you through on a tour of this RV. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and be sure to check out other videos coming out over several weeks, and be sure to check out also RV news and recalls coming out the first Saturday of every single month. Thanks for watching as always, and remember, safe travels.